Hey guys, this hamburger mac is so good. Let me show you how I made it. So here's the ingredient list. I figured I would show you guys everything that I'm using in the beginning of the video so you don't have to figure out what it was that I'm making, you know. For this video, you're going to need 1 pack of ground beef, some spaghetti sauce, elbow macaroni, 1 orange bell pepper, 1 white onion, and heavy whipping cream. So right now we're just slicing the bell peppers. I cleaned it off camera. And we're just going to dice them small dices. And then we're going to put them in a bowl and set them aside. And we're going to move over to the next portion, which is the onion. We cut them down the middle. We peel that little part that I don't like. And then we start to slice the onion, but not completely. So you don't want the onion to come apart. You just want it to be sliced so that we can dice them. I'm going to put that aside. Also, shredded mixed cheese will be added to the hamburger mac. Sorry about that. So I'm adding olive oil to a preheated skillet, and I'm adding my bell peppers and onions, and I'm giving it about 5 to 6 minutes to cook until you start to smell that aroma. We're going to season it with my all-purpose seasoning, which will be restocking soon at cookwithvickie.com. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and do that. So I added my ground beef, and right now we're just going to cook it all until it's done, like cook it all the way until it's brown. And whatever your preferred seasoning is, I use seasoned salt, all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, I believe, and then I just always taste it as I go. And then I drained my ground beef because I just didn't want that extra liquid. And off camera, guys, it's always good to make your macaroni ahead of time. So while you're doing your ground beef, make your macaroni so you don't have to make that last minute and then everybody is starving. So I'm adding in the jar of tomato sauce. And I know I said a pint of heavy cream, but I used maybe 3/4 of that container. So you're not going to need a lot. But, you know, because carbs do gelatinize, it doubles in size. So you may want to add some heavy whipping cream later on if your pasta dries out. And right there is where we're stirring in the mixed blended cheese. And do y'all see that goodness? My God from heaven. Your kids are going to love you. Listen, all right. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next recipe. I love you guys. Peace out.